I'm Doris Kyle. We are here at Kororo for an exhibition, and some of the products I have are the New Zealand white rabbits. Rabbits are very easy to rear, more so the exotic type of rabbits, and they are highly beneficial. Right now we have the New Zealand white rabbits. These rabbits can be kept in a small unit the way you see it here. Even if you are someone who is having a very small space, you can take care of these rabbits. They do not eat a lot. You only have to feed them like 10 grams in the morning and 10 grams in the evening, and their feeds go for 2,000 shillings a kilo. So anyone can take care of rabbits. They are very easy to maintain. If you put a correct system for them, you can have them, you can keep them and get a very good income out of them. If anyone wants to take care of these rabbits, number one, you have to maintain hygiene. If you maintain hygiene, you have less cases of illness. How do we maintain hygiene? Rabbits are supposed to be kept in cages. Why do we keep them in cages? When you put your rabbit in a cage and you clearly put a demarcation where your urine will be pouring, we do sell urine. Urine is very important for farmers. If you have a banana plantation, if you have vegetables, you can use rabbit urine as a fertilizer or a pesticide. We also collect the droppings. Droppings help us as feeds for other birds like the local chicken. Then when it comes to market, I've already now said showing how market can be got. We do sell urine, we sell the droppings, and we also sell the rabbit themselves. You can sell the meat, you can also sell the bunnies. A bunny goes up to 100,000 for someone who wants to take a bunny. We sell bunnies of 4 months to 6 months. By 6 months, a rabbit is ready to start giving bunnies, and it only goes for 1 month. Gestation period is only 1 month. After 1 month, you can have like 80 bunnies or more than 8. And if each bunny costs 100,000, that means you are in a very good business. Even if you keep only 20 or 30 rabbits, you can be in good business. Yes. They usually have some issues like diseases, but they are very easy to manage because if you keep very good hygiene, you can be able to manage these illnesses. What you need is to monitor your rabbits to know if most of they are affected by